Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to send a video in a WhatsApp chat using WhatsApp Web on your computer. This new update makes it even easier to share videos directly from your PC, so let's jump right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to WhatsApp Web. You can do this by typing WhatsApp Web into your search bar, then scanning the QR code on your screen using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once your chats load, you'll see your familiar chat list, just like on your mobile. Next, open the chat where you want to send your video. This could be a friend, a family member, or even a group chat. Once inside the conversation, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon next to the message box. This is where the magic starts. Click on the plus icon and a few options will appear. From these options, select photos and videos. This will open a file explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse through your folders and pick the video you want to send. After choosing your video, click Open. Now, you'll see a preview of your selected video appear in the chat window. This is your chance to double check that you've selected the right file. You can also add a caption if you'd like, maybe a quick description or a few emojis to make your message more personal. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Send button, which is the green arrow in the chat box. WhatsApp Web will start uploading your video, and depending on its size and your internet speed, it might take a few seconds. When it's done, your video appears in the chat, ready for your contact to view or download, and that's it. You've successfully sent a video using WhatsApp Web. With this latest update, sharing media from your PC has become smoother and faster than ever.